बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
Assalamu alaikum students. I hope all of you are fine. I am from Dare Arkam Iqbal Town campus. I am your teacher of SST Miss Noreen. Open your SST Reader Plus workbook. First of all, students, we mention our planner, period number 2, part A, B, C, D, page 1 to 4 on workbook. Mention here 2 by 4. Class, from your workbook, open your page number 2 and 3. Mention here date and day 2 by 4 Friday. Climate zone of the world. Choose the correct answer. The equatorial belt of the world is called the tropical climate zone. Polar climate zone is also known as tundra climate zone. आपने सर्कल करना है करेक्ट आंसर को. The temperature of Sri Lanka is hot and humid as it is situated near the equator. टेम्परेचर श्रीलंका का क्यों बहुत ज़्यादा हॉट होता है? क्योंकि वो इक्वेटर के नज़दीक तरीन है. A pleasant climate and lush green mountains areas attract टूरिस्ट. टूरिस्ट को जो बहुत ज़्यादा माउंटेन जहाँ पे हो या ग्रीनरी हो वहाँ पे वो अट्रैक्ट होते हैं, वहाँ पे वो लोग ज़्यादा जाते हैं. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. The subtropical zone lies between 23.5 degree tropic latitude to 40 degree temperate latitude. Second, moderate climate has warm summers and cool winters. Moderate climate में क्या होता है? सर्दियाँ भी नॉर्मल होती हैं और गर्मियाँ भी नॉर्मल होती हैं. Nepal and Bhutan are situated near each other and have same climatical conditions. नेपाल और भूटान एक दूसरे के करीब तरीब हैं, इस वजह से इनकी जो मौसम होता है वो ज़्यादातर एक जैसा होता है. Devastating cyclones are very common in Bangladesh. Part C. Take the correct statement and cross the false one. The countries of subtropical zones are Japan and Georgia. Tick. Temperate zones climate is too cold. टेम्परेट का जो क्लाइमेट होता है टेम्परेट जोन का वो बहुत ज़्यादा सर्द होता है. क्रॉस गलत है. Most of the polar areas are covered by grass. Polar areas covered grass से होते हैं. गलत है, grass से नहीं होते, जबकि स्नो से होते हैं, बर्फ से होते हैं. Polar climate is characterized by the absence of trees and very cold weather. Polar का जो climate है वो ज़्यादातर सर्द क्यों होता है? क्योंकि वहाँ पर दरख्तों की बहुत ज़्यादा कमी होती है, इस वजह से जो मौसम होता है वो ज़्यादा सर्द होता है. Differentiate polar and tropical climate zone. First of all, we did polar zone. Weather: cool summer, very cold winter. Houses: triangular shaped. Plants: mosses, lichens. Animals: polar bear, arctic fox. Clothing: sweaters, polar fleecy jacket. Then tropical zone. Weather: hot and humid. Houses: passive design. Plants: palms, lily. Animals: pangolins, sloths. Clothing: pants, long sleeve shirts. Which type of houses are built in equatorial climate zone? Many houses are built on wooden pedestals to keep them safe from flooding. Understand the questions and answer accordingly. Why does Karachi have less rainfall than Islamabad, even if Karachi is a coastal city? Even with all its humidity, the temperature of Karachi never goes to such level that it may cause to rain. Why do you think there is heavy rainfall at equatorial zone throughout the year? Because it is being closed to the equator, so this region receives heavy rainfall. Class, it's your work of SST workbook. Do it with neat and clean writing and uh, learn your part A and B. Allah Hafiz, students.